Greetings to all content creators and educators out there. Creating a professional video can often be time-consuming and costly, requiring the hiring of actors, a suitable studio, and the right equipment. The ability to use AI-generated avatars instead of live actors allows you to achieve authentic-looking, high-quality results with significantly fewer resources. That's precisely why we've integrated the powerful Synthesia technology directly into our MorphCast Interactive Video Platform. Now you can effortlessly craft video tutorials, interactive lessons, and anything else you envision in the blink of an eye. With just 3 clicks, you can add an avatar to any scene. Let's see how. Firstly, open your project and click on the plus button located in the top right corner to create a new scene. Click on the button located in the bottom left corner of your new scene, the one symbolized by the 3 parallel lines, to access the timeline. Once you're there, look for the Layers panel, also on the bottom left. Click on the button within it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Avatar Synthesia. Now you can utilize this panel to input the lines that your avatar will recite. By clicking on the eye icon, you can view tags that allow you to refine the video by adding pauses and gestures, making your avatar's expressions more varied and adding authenticity and fluidity to your video. Additionally, you can specify the correct pronunciation of a particular word. Begin by typing in your avatar's desired lines directly, or if you already have them prepared, you can easily copy and paste them into the designated text box. Take a moment to explore and incorporate any of the available tags that suit your vision for the video. Once you're satisfied with the script and any added tags, proceed by clicking on the Continue button. At this point, all you need to do is wait while your avatar gets loaded and the project synchronizes. The duration of this process can vary. Depending on the length of your script, it might take anywhere from just a few brief seconds to several minutes. Your scene is all set. Click on the Play button located in the top right corner to see the outcome in action.
Hi, welcome to our new interactive video.
As you can see, adding an avatar to your interactive video using MorphCast Interactive Video Platform is quick, straightforward, and user-friendly. This innovation further amplifies the potential of a tool that lets you craft remarkable interactive videos that respond in real time to the viewer's emotions. To explore its full capabilities, head over to our dedicated page at www.morphcast.com. The interactive video platform is available for both Windows and Mac OS, and every license comes with hours of complimentary streaming for all your testing needs. What are you waiting for? Give it a try. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Embrace the future of video creation with MorphCast Interactive Video Platform. Until next time, happy creating.